I have to make this video because people are always, I think, a little hyper-focused on how powerful the machine is. So, I get people all the time, but this machine is 1,000, watts, and it's the same price as this one. It's, 600 watts. I want the stronger machine. I want the one with more watts. Or this is the new and improved model. This one now has 1,200 watts. It's, more wattage isn't necessarily, always going to give you better performance. Some of these machines require more wattage for multiple reasons. One reason, is the first one here, is that a lot of times it's just the heaviness of the plate. Sometimes it's a steel plate, sometimes it's a plastic plate, sometimes it's some sort of other composite material. It takes a lot more weight to move up and down. They're going to need a lot more wattage, going to the motor. That's a lot of times why some machines just have higher wattage, But that's also why I can stand on a 500 watt machine, and it's with a very lightweight plate, and it feels more powerful than the 1,000 watt because the plate's a lot lighter, so it's requiring a lot less G-force, a lot less energy to actually move the plate. So don't just look at the wattage, It's not just about that. It's also about how the gears in there are tuned, Some motors, in fact, this is a fair statement to say that some machines sometimes require a lot more wattage power because the actual engineering and the tuning of the gears and everything else that goes in there is not as efficient. So there's a lot of wasted energy in order to get the same amount of performance. Like some of the higher grade machines that I've been on, a little bit more expensive, German engineered, all that kind of stuff, they only need a fraction, 400 watts, versus 1,000 to produce the same specifications, the same performance, because the components themselves and what's inside the guts of the machine is tuned much more efficiently. These are much more greener machines. They use a lot less electricity. So don't just look by power. There's a lot more that goes into it, but if you have any questions about the machine that you're looking into, give me a call.